To start our showcase, we're going to first invite Jacob to come and give us an introduction. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Choice Reinvented showcase. My name is Jacob. I'm the director for inkjet and page-wide business for Asia Pacific and Japan. In this session today, you'll see how HP is reinventing what choice means in today's printing market. We all know that every customer has a different printing environment, and they look at different aspects when they select a printer. Some customers are looking for performance, some customers are looking for manageability, some customers are looking for security, and almost all customers look at how to reduce the total cost of ownership. We are confident that we have the right printing solution for our customers, since we have three things to offer. First and foremost, we have a wide portfolio of technology that we can offer between ink, laser, and page-wide. We have industry-leading quality and reliability. And last but not the least, we have the best channel network in the industry today. Today's focus is on technology. As you heard this morning, we have reinvented our entire business printing portfolio. Today we are launching a complete new lineup of Officejet Pro, page-wide, and LaserJet. Now let me talk briefly about each one of them. Officejet Pro is an ink technology which we invented almost 30 years back. And over these 30 years, we've been refining the technology and getting you newer products and features in that technology. In today's launch, the Officejet Pro that we talked about has very unique features. For example, we have the HP Print Forward design. We're going to talk a little bit more later on in the demos of what Print Forward design is all about. We can even print directly from any mobile device. The mobile device could be iOS, Android, or Windows. We can print from there without downloading any app, nothing. Directly in the OS itself that we have this print functions for HP printers. And finally, like our predecessor Officejet Pro, we continue to offer 50% lower running costs versus competitive color laser printers. Moving to page-wide. This is the same technology that we started with the web press, the huge devices that you would have seen. Now, then we brought it down to the large format printers. And finally, we have the A4 devices with the same technology. I won't talk much about page-wide because the next session we're going to attend is going to be more detailed session on page-wide. I don't want to steal the thunder from there. Let me move to the technology that we've been market leaders for 30 years, which is the laser technology. Here also, even though we're market leaders, we're continuously reinventing ourselves and changing our products and designs to offer better choices to our customer. Our new HP laser printers that we're launching today has a new toner chemistry, which is called Jetintelligence. What this Jetintelligence offers is much higher speeds, lower running cost, less energy consumption, and last but not the least, smaller footprint or smaller size of the printer. HP has a history of innovation over the last 50 years through our HP labs, and we'll continue to reinvent looking at the changing business environments and business printing requirements. Now we would like to showcase these technologies starting with design. And to talk about design, let me invite Jason Go, who's from our design team based out of our Global Design Center in Singapore. Jason.
Thanks, Jacob. Hi, I'm Jason here from the Print Experience Design Center in Singapore. In HP, we believe that every product that we design starts from an in-depth understanding of our customer. So we constantly look at what the customer needs, what's their aspiration, what's their frustrations, and what are the trends in the market itself that change their behavior, and then their work or their life. So using these insights and then create innovations for our new series of products itself. So for our new, to fill out our new print innovations we have our HP Officejet Pro with the print forward design, and also our HP LaserJet with the Jetintelligence. So this tool technology itself has significantly bring the print experience to the next level. So I can't wait to kind of share with you the exciting products. So maybe you guys want to take a short walk towards the product itself, and you have a closer look at the impressive machines over there. So today we are very excited. I'm going to launch two LaserJet products. So we have the LaserJet Pro M501 here and also the color LaserJet Pro M377. So both of these two printers itself takes on the successful award-winning design language that we have for LaserJet printers that was launched last year. So it basically carries the same design elements as the successful design, right? So having a very simple form itself that blends into modern office environment, we have chosen a very light neutral tone so that it kind of blends into most of the modern environment, right? So the more of the task-focused design that we have for the laser printers itself, we call out the key touch area of the printer itself. For example, the control panel, the output tray, ADF input tray and output tray. So these are the three main key touch areas. So we call it out with a darker tone of colors so that when user walk towards the printer itself, they know where to look at. So the other thing that we also innovate on, as I mentioned earlier, we understand customer behavior and then basically turn that into innovation, right? We know that contracts and documents are very important for our customers and you will not want to damage those documents. So when you're doing a scanning, right? So in the past, there's this trope that you basically put your paper in and removing the paper will need you to basically either bend or fold the paper itself. So with this unique infinity glass design, so you can easily slide the paper off the edge, so without having to bend the paper itself. Especially for hard documents, like for example ID card, it's even easier to kind of slide off the edge compared to picking up from the glass. So this design also enables you to do a one-hand usage. So for example, you're doing a scan, so the cover itself will basically stays at the position, so you're not worried that this cover will kind of slam into your hand while you're doing a scan. So this is one of the key features. Of course, we don't stop there, right? So I'll hand over to Ratish to tell you more of the innovations that we've done with Jetintelligence. Ratish?
Thank you, Jason. Very good afternoon, everyone. And today we'll talk about the HP LaserJets with new Jetintelligence technology built in. So Jetintelligence as a technology is very, very significant, most game-changing technology that we have done ever since we launched LaserJets in 1984. Right? Now these devices have gone through, if you look at in 1980s, you had this personal computing emerging, market was just emerging, and desktop printing was not existent. And with that, we have actually changed the way how the business printing has changed after introduction of HP LaserJets. Now, today we are fast forward, we are changing the whole game again. With that, what we've done is we have reinvented the LaserJet printers from inside out. Today, our businesses are looking for smaller devices, which means there's a space constraint in office space. Plus, they're looking for top speeds, they're looking for good print quality, they're looking for more secure printers, they're looking for more energy conscious printers, energy saving printers. So with keeping all this changing dynamics in mind, HP had reinvented the whole printer from inside out, and we started from a small particle, which is a toner particle. Let's see this video to see how HP has reinvented the HP Jet printers with Jetintelligence. Great. So this small chemistry of innovation on the toners has given good impact to our customers. So what does it mean for customers? For customers, it means 40% smaller printers, 40% faster printers, 53% energy saving on printing, and also gives you 33% more pages. That is what innovation means to our customers. So if you see, and on top of that, those innovations we have made, we have put mobility built into this device, which means you get Wi-Fi direct, you get NFC, you get your printing from an Apple phone, printing from an Android phone. All these mobility features are built into these devices. Plus, we are also give customers energy saving when they actually use our printers in their offices. And we also have added 3 key solutions on top of this. The first solution is your print from USB, which means today you can print from USB directly, not only your PDF and your JPEG files. Today you can also print your Word document and your PowerPoint presentation slides. We have also included pin printing, which means printing your private documents, which means you want to file the printout, but the printer will wait for you to key in the passcode and then give you the printout. This enables to ensure that your confidential documents are secure and not exposed outside. We also have LDAP integration into it, which means that you can actually authenticate yourself onto the printer and then print it out, which is also adding one level of security on top of the current available security. And then, if you take from a performance perspective, these machines are really, really fast in its class, which means this printer is the fastest first page out in its class, has the fastest duplex in its class. So customers get very fast printers, small printers, energy saving, more pages. That's what is the whole Jetintelligence story is all about.
Thank you.
This is all enabled by Jetintelligence toners. So we also did a complete revamp or a redesign or re-engineering our toner cartridge as well. What we've done is we have actually reduced the components and made it more robust and given more space for putting toner powder, which means we can now we have shrunk the size of the toner cartridge and also put more pages into it. Plus, we have built-in security into the toners, which means today you can enable anti-theft and anti-fraud technology built-in, which means today our printers are smart enough to identify if this toner is a counterfeit or reman toner. So that level of security is built into it. Plus, because of the toner formulation is redesigned, the color toner which goes into the color laser machines are Color Sphere 3, and the powder which goes into the black machines are called precision black toners. These are reformulated new toner particles. Okay, with that combination of innovation at the toner particle, innovation at the toner as a toner, and then innovation on the printer, HP is being able to give customers true value for money, which means the customers get less energy when they print on these machines. They get faster devices, they get smaller devices, and get more pages. So in summary, that's the story of HP LaserJets with Jetintelligence, the new technology.
Great, thank you, Rajesh. We have more exciting innovations forward, so we'd like you to kind of follow me here. So here we're going to talk about the Officejet Pro Print Forward design. So I want to introduce Sankil here.
Okay, thank you for coming the booth. This booth is Officejet Pro. I'm Sankil, for product manager for Officejet Pro lineup for APJ. Okay, we can continue with Jason on all our great innovation. We have done it in our Officejet Pro lineup.
We are very proud to say that this design, the print forward design itself, is lead and designed by the print experience team design team in Singapore, and we have innovate the entire print to looking from the customer point of view, what are the values that customer is looking for. Okay. So first thing we do is we look into the print paper part itself. So we know that business customers are looking for some of the key values. So one of the key is about task velocity. Task velocity is about performance, about speed. So it's about how fast you complete a certain task, not only the print, right? It's about how you're going to do it. So one of the key things is we design it using the same formula as what we did for LaserJet, calling out the key touch zone, which is this area. So when you walk towards the printer, right, this is the area that you have to kind of focus on. The control panel is here, the output tray is here. So it's hassle-free, and everything you need to look at is here. Even the change of cartridges, everything is just within this window itself. So everything is within your reach, within your view. So it's very easy and simple. Okay. Good. So the next thing that we were looking at is, as you guys are all using smart devices, so we also understand that customer is faster in using smart devices when they are doing the navigation. So we actually incorporated a gesture control control panel, a touch control panel with gesture control. So it's similar navigation as your smart devices. You can even pull down the taskbar, right, to look at some of the key features, some of the key informations that you want to look for. So from the taskbar, okay. So the other important thing is we want customer to be able to customize their own tasks as well. So with long press, you're able to kind of shift the functions around. So it's just like your apps, you like to kind of group them up so that you can use them faster. Right? So it's the same thing. So we capture that behavior and implement it into this unique UI itself. So the other thing about the so-called print forward design is in the past, right, if you look at documents itself, it's printed in the inkjet printers are usually in this form. So the print forward design, we are able to kind of change the paper file, enable the papers to be kind of output to be on the top itself and contained within the output bin. So with mobility printing, etc., you don't have to worry about whether this tray is extended in the office because you will not have the side of the printer, so you don't want the print documents to drop on the floor as well. So this guy, no problem. So with the new paper path, the paper are printed facing down as well. So security is not privacy is not a problem.
Unless you print double-sided, of course.
Oh yeah. Yeah, thanks. So, and performance is also enhanced with this. So with duplex printing, right, in this machine, you're able to get almost close to a simplex printing of 20 pages per minute. So a simplex printing is 24 pages per minute, double-sided. Yeah. So this is one of the key improvement. So the other thing is about all ready, right? So this is the operating footprint versus this. So it's almost 11.7 cm shorter in operating footprint compared to the predecessor. So everything is within and contained within this space. And the tray itself in the past, for legal document, you need to extend this tray in this form. Now the tray is legal ready, so everything, legal paper can go in there without any extension. So it's all ready for you. So I hand over to Sankil to do some demonstration on some of the key features that we talked about, like pin printing and also the USB printing.
Okay, thank you, Jason. We just recap what you just heard about. We talk about the print forward design as a key benefit of all our Officejet Pro lineup. And then we talk about two-sided copy scan printing is faster than the market in the industry. And thirdly, we have higher capacity of cartridges. It can save cost per page up to 50% versus competitive laser. It can print out up to around 3,000 pages for black. We increase the ink capacity with this lineup. And then we also gotten the USB document printout. So using this thumb drive, we can print out MS Word and PowerPoint document. So let me go to some demonstration I have here. I just want to demonstrate the two-sided copy, right? This is the 2 pages, two-sided document. So if we goes to control panel, you can choose the print. You can go to the copy and you can choose the document. Okay, copy, document. Okay, just loading. Okay. Document loaded. Okay, yeah, we can choose here two-sided to two-sided. Can choose here, then we can start copy. So with this OJ Pro A730, we can copy the two-sided document. For color, we can copy 9 images per minute, and then for color, 12 pages per minute. So industry around, it would be around 4 ppm range for double-sided, but we can print out around 9 to 12 ppm, right? So it already start to copy, right? So that is a function we have, and then it no need to do the reverse way. It is single pass. We call it the E to flex. That is a feature we have. And then another demo is we can show this is the thumb drive, right? So we can use the thumb drive to print out the MS, Word, and PowerPoint document easily. So we can go to the control panel again, and then we can choose the print document using the thumb drive, and then all the folders and documents has been displayed into this touch screen. Then just scroll up as like the mobile, the printer, mobile, the phones, and then you can easily choose whatever you want to print out. Right? Then you can choose the printing, then it comes out. So just in case you need urgent presentation to customers, you can just plug in the USB and then can print out without any download of the printer driver and using the even laptop. So that's the key features. We have this OJ Pro A730, right? And then again, all the Wi-Fi direct features has been already there all across all lineup here. We have around 9 products here. All can support the wireless Wi-Fi direct. You can choose goes to email, and then any document. So if you go to the email and just choose any document and goes to the mobile phone and just choose the print. Then print, you can choose here, print. We already connected the printer there. Then you can print, right? That is the way you can easily print out the peer-to-peer. Okay. And then I can move on to the last demonstration is the UPD pin print. I know Latish also mentioned there. So there is some sensitive document we could not leak out to public. So you can use UPD pin printing. So you choose the document you want to print out. This one you go to File and use to print. It's a very normal way to print out. Instead of going directly into this printer, you can go to Printer Properties and choose the Store Job. Right? And then you can just, okay. Then print. Then all the print job has been secured and sent to the printer. So if I move on to this, I send on this print job to this A730 again. And if you go to the control panel and choose print, then you can see all the menus, private, job storage. I send the job into job storage, into a thumb drive using the flash drive. Then you can choose the print job has been saved. So this is a document I just sent and print. Then it come out easily, right? So normal ways, we need to rush to pick up something sensitive document after sending the print job, but we can have time to go into the printer, and then we can easily choose whatever we want to print out. So that is the UPD pin print as one of essential security features we have our OJ Pro lineups.
Any questions?
All right, thank you very much.